What if I told you that over 100 years ago, a man not only laid the foundation of modern wireless communication, but also proved that plants have feelings? Meet Jagadish Chandra Bose, a true pioneer who broke barriers in physics, biology and botany, all while defying colonial suppression of Indian intellect. Years before Marconi's patent, Bose demonstrated the transmission of radio waves in 1895 using his own instruments. But instead of commercializing it, he published everything for the world, refusing to patent it, a true scientist at heart. And then, he did something extraordinary. He created the Crescograph, an ultra-sensitive device that could magnify plant movement by 10,000 times, proving that plants respond to pain and stimuli, just like animals. At a time when colonial scientists looked down on Indian minds, Bose became the first Indian to get a lecture slot at the Royal Institution of London, and he owned that stage. He bridged the gap between the physical and biological worlds, proposing that life is a continuum, not a dichotomy. From metals reacting like nerves to plants fainting under shock, he saw the unity of nature like no one else. Jagadish Chandra Bose wasn't just a scientist, he was a visionary who saw science as a spiritual quest. His legacy lives on, not in fame, but in truth. Please feel free to share if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel Atomic Gear for more scientific content.